Do you have any final thoughts that you could share with us before I ask where they could come see you and learn more?
Thank you so much for this opportunity, Casper. I would encourage everyone to carve out 5 minutes every day, first thing in the morning especially, to just sit quietly and breathe
Mm.
and let that breath go to a point between your belly button and your pubic bone. It's called the lower dantian. And it's an important place to expand and let it come back. As you breathe in, you should feel that part of your belly expand and relax. I can promise you, when you make this commitment, not if, when you make this commitment, because health is all about a decision first and a commitment second, and then you take action. This action, this one action of breathing into your belly for 5 minutes before you jump out of bed, run to the coffee machine or whatever it is you do first. Make this a gift that you give to yourself. I close with a reminder. We can go weeks without food, days without water. We wouldn't last very many minutes without the breath. Thank you again. Great
Beautifully
honor to
put.
be with you.
I love that, Cathy. And now I got to ask, where can people learn more about you, get in touch with you, become a student?
CathySheaSchool.com, CathySheaSchool.com. I also have a Cathy Shea School YouTube channel. If you go to the playlist, you'll see recipes, how to make the soups I mentioned. I figured out how to do a coconut yogurt, because Thomas says that no dairy, don't eat dairy. So we make yogurt out of, the coconut cream that I buy at the ethnic shop. They have 70% coconut water, nothing else. So my door is open to all of you. It doesn't matter where I am on the planet. Thanks to WhatsApp, I can do Zoom. I can connect with you. Call me at 561-775-9912. Leave a message for Lisa, our beautiful manager. She celebrates 20 years with us this month. My right arm, my left arm, my backup, no matter what's going on. She's dynamite. So by all means, be willing to make the decision, make a phone call, let us help you make a commitment and coach you how to take action. I also want to give a shout out to one of my gals who is up in New Hampshire at concordcolonic.com. Her name is Ann Kennedy. She does nutritional coaching on Zoom. And she's a dynamo. She's on track with me to become an instructor because I'm looking for younger people who can carry my flag. I'm going to croak, but the school's got to go on. That's
Oh,
all
you,
there is
you
to
got plenty of time still, I'm
it.
sure.
I know
70 is the
you're
new
right.
like 40 or so, right? So
From your lips to God's ears.
Cathy, thank you so much for sharing this message, sharing so much of your wisdom and the work you do. Please do give Dr. Rao a nice hug when you see him. I know you're going out
I'm
there to see him shortly.
happy
Um,
to do that.
yeah, and thanks so much for
And
spending this time and sharing with us.
it's an honor and a privilege, Casper, and I salute you for what you're doing in the world, getting the word out.
Thank
And
you.
greetings to all your family. One of these days, I'm going to come up and train your father's team and get colonics in your father's clinic.
Please, please. I'll stay after a little bit and we'll talk about that as well because I have some things
Okay.
to talk about that. But thank you
Okay.
again. In a quick recap, alternative therapies like colon hydrotherapy are often misrepresented and misunderstood by the mainstream. So hopefully, Cathy was able to clear up some confusion and dispel many of the myths and fears surrounding this truly innovative therapy. Until next time, continue writing your own healing story.